31 days of slime challenge, a whole monster slime challenge. If you're new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell down below. Also, we'd really appreciate it if you hit the like button as well. And today we are doing a clear slime. So I know these are really hard to make, so let's hop into it. Should we do? Okay. I watched Talisa toss out, and she said the best way to make clear slime is with clear Elmer's glue. We don't have clear Elmer's glue, but what we're going to do is we're going to do the one which is quite clear. And she said to dilute your borax in warm water and then leave it to set for a few minutes. And it has become clear, so hopefully this way it will work and it will stay clear and won't go properly. So your ingredients you'll need is diluted borax, which we've got here, a bowl, they've just been washed by the way, a spoon, and you can use food colouring for colour or pigment or whatever. And you'll also need, what will we need? You'll need clear glue, which I have here, and it's pretty clear, isn't it? It's clearer than another one that we have, so let's hop into it. And as you can see, I have got fake nails on one hand, and I didn't put it on the other because the other hand, I'm too scared to put them on again because a few days ago I put these on and, well, these two fingers got stuck together. So, yeah, right, so let's add this. So, we need to start with a bit of clear glue. Okay, I'm excited, guys, but I don't know how this is going to activate because it's really hard to activate. I just realised that. No.
Well, didn't she use borax?
With
then she used some water and then she put borax over the top, didn't she?
Oh yeah, she laid it and then she put glue on top.
Yeah.
Should I put water in it?
I don't know. It's entirely up to you. You watch these slime videos.
I'll tell you what I'll do is I'll add a bit of this. And then a bit of this over the top. And then should I? No, it'll be fine for now. Right.
She adds water though. Do you want me to get you any water?
A little bit, please. I might as well start mixing. I don't know.
I think she put the water in first.
No. Yeah, okay, we'll do it that way.
Let me just get some water.
Comment down below if you can think of any slime suggestions. I know some people have suggested some at the moment, but I think we might need more because it's not even like halfway through the 31 days and we're still struggling. Wait, is it halfway through?
No, not yet.
There's a pine needle in it.
Yeah.
It doesn't really matter.
Still part of the Christmas tree. I wouldn't put that in your slime.
They're all wet. Oops.
I think that's enough.
This might turn out to be a jiggly slime.
It might turn out to be a disaster slime.
Yeah. I think you need to mix it thoroughly. The water might not have.
Are you scared?
Yeah. I think you have to mix it a lot though.
I think you need some more borax.
I'm just going to keep on
you with
mixing
it
it first. It's coming together a bit, but some pieces aren't. Look how clear this is, guys. Usually it goes super cloudy, doesn't it? You have to mix water in really thoroughly into like the slime. And it's meant to take ages if you like add it in before you've activated it. Run it the other way around. I'm going to add a bit of activator, guys. I'm scared. I'm scared. Guys, we'll see you when we've sorted this out in 3, 2, 1. Guys, it isn't fully activated yet, but I just thought we'd give you a quick clip of this and like playing with my hands because I've gone in with them, and it looks super cool since my nails are clear and it's clear, like the slime's clear. Doesn't it look like icicles again? It looks awesome, doesn't it? Can you see my fake nails now? And then can you see them now?
Can't see very much from the side, to be honest.
So we'll see you when this is activated in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, we're back now. We've got the slime fully activated. It isn't crystal clear because it's got a ton of air bubbles from lots and lots of kneading. The water, it wasn't really mixing, but eventually it did mix. So whippy, it's a little bit, well, it is over activated. So I'm going to add a bit of water and see if that helps. It's gone everywhere and I've just got the pot needle in. I'm going to rub it in and that feels cool. Now I'm just going to mix this in. It seems to be getting a bit stretchier, but I've heard that water makes your slimes jiggly. So we'll see how this goes, won't we? I'm scared like one of my fake nails are just going to like pop off in the slime. And then I won't know where it is because the nail is clear and this is clear.
Supposed to be a new type of slime though, wouldn't it? Fake nail slime.
We should actually make a fake nail slime. That's a suggestion that we might do.
Somebody's asked, what are you going to do with all these slimes when you're finished at the end of 31 days?
Some of them I want to like keep because they're super good, but most of them we're going to stick in a blender or something, and we're going to make a huge slime smoothie. So that's what we'll do. If you're wondering.
Does everybody think that's a good idea?
I'm not sticking all of them in though, because like that butter slime and the cloud slime, I love them too. Like it's the first sizzly ones I've made, so.
Has anybody else got any other suggestions what we could do with it?
And the red glitter glue one I might want to keep as well because like glitter glue is just like the best thing in the world. Other than our YouTube fans obviously, isn't it?
That is cool. I like that.
It's really big because I think it's like either inflated from the water or just inflated from playing with it, or just because I added loads of glue. I don't know. It's still a bit rippy, but I'm fine with rippy because you can always fix it. So I'm just gonna mix this in thoroughly. It's all in my hands. I'm not trying to get it off. hurts to play with slime with fake nails. I don't understand that, like, everyone plays with slime with fake nails, especially the really long ones.
I think yours are a bit long now. Or maybe they're different types of nails anyway.
Yeah. I think we might need to do some tests. You ready for the test? So we'll do, to start off with, clickiness. Right, I'm gonna, you'll see the difference with these hands. So I'll start with out my fake nails and then I'll do with my fake nails. So this is without. It's okay, yeah. And then it's really hard to click it because it hurts. Now we're gonna do, what should we do now? Stretchiness. I wouldn't say it's the best, but it's okay. Bubble. It stuck to me. That was crunch test as well at the same time, so it passes in crunch. Next one is bubble. Yay, bubble test passed. Well, that was satisfying.
So if you leave this in a tub for a few days,
Quite a few, yeah.
it will go back to being clear.
Yeah.
Or maybe we can show it on one of our next videos that you do.
Yeah.
When it's gone clear, we'll show everybody what it looks like when it's been left. And all the air bubbles have gone out. That's a good idea.
We hope you've enjoyed the video, guys. Make sure to get updated on our other videos tomorrow and
Past days.
Yeah. So bye. Please like, subscribe, comment and share for more fun videos. Also, if you don't want to miss any more fun videos, hit the notification bell down below and join the Toys Fun Fam squad. Bye. Love you all.